Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to detect who disabled a user account in Active Directory. So this is my server. So before you try to find who disabled, it is necessary to understand or enable some settings, audit setting in group policy. So if you want, you can edit your default domain policy or you can create new one, but ensure that new group policy is covering all the user accounts from the all the locations or different location in Active Directory. Some organizations are having single location for all the user accounts. Some are having multiple, depends on their design. But we are not talking about the design here. We will only think all the users should be covered under the group policy that you are creating now. So I'm just selecting my default domain policy. So here, computer configuration, Windows setting, security setting, and the local policy, audit policy, and audit account management. Select this and select success. Okay. Then it is also necessary to just maximize security logs so that you can at least have logs for some time. If you are not having enough size for your logs, there is a possibility that your logs will be overwritten and you will not find anything. So you can select here 4 GB, 5 GB, 3 GB, but normally people are selecting 4 GB. So if you convert kilobytes in the GB, so it should be 4194304. I don't know, 304. 4194304. There is no selecting, so that is fine, leave it. Now we need to select retention method for security logs to overwritten. We can select this. So override events as needed. If you select override events by days, that is not fine. Override events, this is fine. I think so. Do not override returns. So that is also not good. We'll have to clear that manually. So that option is suitable for us. So now we can see. So we will disable one user. Okay. Come here. Active Directory users and computer. That is already disabled. So we will disable Radha. Okay. So if you are having single computer, that is fine. You can just go and select the particular event log, search for particular event log. And if you are having multiple domain controllers, so what you need to do, just for testing purpose, I say param. Okay. Here you can see param is not disabled, right? And if I run this and I see that value user account control, right? There is no particular attribute specifically when you disable or enable account. So whatever you are doing, it is happening under this user account control, and it is mentioned under this attribute. Okay. So here you can see today is 3rd July, but we can see whatever has happened had happened to this account, it had happened on 2nd, right? 2nd July. If you see the same thing for Radha, you will see something has happened today. Radha. Okay. You see the same you attribute. Come here, right? It is saying yes, that attribute. If you read this carefully, it is saying it happened on INDEDC01. So I have only a single computer now. I have two, but I did not open that. So it is saying, okay, this is domain controller where one action was taken. It was taken on 3rd July 2024. Local time on the server was happening 08:47:29. This is the time of the domain controller from where you are running this query, not from the actual computer where it was, where action was taken. So just remember that as well. Here we can see 12. So it is showing this attribute has been changed 12 times till or since when that user has been created. Okay. Now suppose I was running this query from INDE DC0234. So now I need to go to this INDE DC01 and go to the security logs. Okay. So this is my same computer, so I'm going here. If you have different one, then you should log in there, or you can just access remote computer by using this method as well. So here we can go to filters current logs. You can type 4725. Okay, and you can search for the particular account Radha. Okay, so it has selected. Here you can see Carolina is the user account which disabled this particular account, and name was Radha. Here you can see event ID 4724. So you can say on basis of this event log, Radha is a user, Carolina is a user who disabled Radha's account. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.